the board, senior European champion a year ago, Hungarian ranking series event champion a year ago, senior world bronze medalist 2 years ago. So up and down his resume, it is stacked, but he is one of the least talked about. We saw it throughout the Paris Olympic cycle. He's not a 65-kilo guy. It's too much weight to cut. Wood breaks containment, and he's circling to his left, and this could get dangerous. Opportunity to lose his footing, but Akmatalia is going to pick up the
finger blue. Blue zone. Zone blue.
Maybe try and drive Andresyan out the mat. He'll try and go for a 2 instead. He's going to try and kick that leg back. He does so, gets the 2 points.
Red, continue. Continue, Red.
Building a commanding 6-2 lead.
Such an engine. It took him a while to get going, but when he did, he was so good.
And this is where he's dangerous in these unorthodox positions, as I think that's going to be 2 for Red.
Давай, давай.
And they do award Akmatalia his 8th 70-kilo world